Hey, welcome back to part 3 of the unboxing review of SHONEN Yu-Gi-Oh! Trading card game cube. So, yep. What the F? I finally got things slid it, and now it doesn't want to open. Well, I mean, this thing is, like I said, definitely is going to be good if you can't get it out of the packaging. Maybe this is better than an Ultra Pro deck box. So you kind of have to squeeze and wiggle it a little bit. So we're actually going to do it this way. So forgive me if I get them wrong about which ones are booster pads and which ones are DUELiST pads. Like I said, it's been a while and they are quite pricey. Unlike Pokemon cards, which are quite pricey, but sometimes GameStop would want a deal where it's like buy a pack, get a pack free and stuff. Wish that they did that with Yu-Gi-Oh cards, but yeah. So let's get the cards out here. So first off, let's go with the random cards. So first up we have Dark Magician. Nice print. This one is MVP1. Yeah, MVP1 ENSE3. Don't know what set this one is from. I was just like, ooh, Dark Magician. Gotta get this one for my set. Next up we have our next 4 card, REViEW, SHONEN. I'm not going to read what set it is because, hopefully I get a Dark Magician going here. So that's our second foil. And this one's going to be our Rare. I made that one was Void Expansion. Oh, these are the Rare ones, okay. So we have Void Expansion. That's what we have. I don't know how good you can see this, but it's Raptor's Nest. Raid Raptor's Nest. Excuse me, I'm reading it from behind the camera, and they're shiny. Oh my god, this one is pretty cool. Dragons of Draconus. This one is from Yu-Gi-Oh! Art 5 with the pendulum. So, yeah. So these are 3 cards that are the wares. These are 2 foils. And then just for other random cards, 20 random cards, you have Trap Hole, Miracle, Restless Ring, Dark Lion, Dark Lion, Monster Reincarnation, which is the upgrade to Monster Reborn, Dice Visor. Some of these cards I've never even seen before. The Revenge of the Normal, Bit Trooper. Not really sure what that one's from. Oh, cool! We got a Cyber Monster. Sarah May Gray's Emerald Eagle. Not really sure what this one is. I don't think this is a true cyber monster. Actually, let me fold those ones over so that we kind of keep going in order here. Digital Bud, LED Bud. Yeah, I'm pretty sure this is from the new Cyber Link ones, if I'm correct. If not, I hadn't seen it come over here in the States. That's still bad, online, in Japanese language. So yeah. Toy Vendor. This one's kind of cool. It's almost like a little Gashapon. That one's cool. Ram Crowd. It's a little sheep. But I get it because RAM, like, you know, RAM and megabytes and gigabytes and terabytes and kilobytes, you know, all that stuff was computer tech stuff. Dino Downwise Stegosaurus. Yeah, a lot of these cards, you know, in the Yu-Gi-Oh world have these weird names. That's like, I don't know. I just played this card. That was that card, you know. Errors of the nomadic affair. Like I said, Yu-Gi-Oh cards, weird names. Flavor Guard. I don't know this one. Can't remember when it came out, but yeah. The Phantom Knight Rank Up Magic Launch. I don't know what this card is, but kind of cool. I'll have to read the text later on. Password Furfafair. This one, I want to say Yu-Gi-Oh! Art 5. Maybe it was... No, it wasn't Setso. It had to be Art 5. Maybe it was Setso. I don't know. They had Cyber Dragon Daring. And we actually have two Cyber Dragons. Oh, Cyber Dragon Daring and Cyber Dragon Fire. So, pretty cool. Pretty cool. And then we have Dark World Brainwashing and Performance Power Revive. So this is kind of like the Monster Reborn or Monster Revive card for performance powers. So far, not that bad of cards. I'm pretty stoked and happy with what I got so far. Definitely, this is what I would purchase for the Dark Magician. So, it looks like we got, let's see, 2 booster packs. So apparently this is a booster pack, and I guess this is a booster pack, because these 4 over here, they're calling DUELiST packs. So, alright, let's go with some DUELiST packs. Why not? And it's probably going to be another part to this video part. I want to say 4 or 5. You know when you see it. But let's go with Yami Yugi. Just says DUELiST pack, 5 cards, you know, English edition, first edition, Konami, all that good stuff. www.yu-gi-oh/cards.com. I'll put a link down below. And I'll also put a link to toylist.com because, you know, when it comes to card prices, toylist.com is like right on point for Yu-Gi-Oh! Pokemon cards from every single set. Now, you know, is this card worth 50 cents? Is this card worth $2, $5 to 1 cent, you know? So, best price around I have seen to get the prices on your TCG and CCG cards. So, I really trust them. Ooh, oh my god! Holy F, look at this one. It's shiny and it's a foil card. So, maybe this is a rare foil card. A Hero Lives. Oh my god! Would you check that out? I mean, my god, check that stuff out. I bought it for this Dark Magician, and I pulled a Dark Magician. So, Dark Magician needs Dark Magician. Hey, hey. Yeah, that one there is awesome, Fountains. That is just super duper awesomeness. Next up, we have number 94. Crystallized Zero. Another shiny card. Or a foil card, I should say. And then we have Full Armor Crystallized Launcher. Oh my god! So we have this one, and then it goes into this card. That's pretty cool. Although it drops its number, I'm guessing. And then finally we have Gokrai? So, yeah, definitely from the Yami Yugi pack right here. I had just pulled a pretty freaking good card. Don't know if there's a Dark Magician. I would love if there's a Dark Magician. Let's see from the Blue Eyes White Dragon. If we get Blue Eyes White Dragon, that would be hilarious. And if I could get the cards out of here. We got another A Hero Lives. Rose Dragon? Oh my god! Yu-Gi-Oh! 5Ds. Or Yu-Gi-Oh! D-Wheels. D-Wheelers? Yeah, it's the ones, card games on motorcycles! I had to say that because, yeah, that was like a meme back in the day. But yeah, that's pretty awesome. And then we have a Celestial Double Star Shaman. Okay, never heard that card. Silent Anglerfish. Number 70. Mervolt Sin. Oh my god, check it out. We drew this card, and that's the card that's on the next DUELiST pack. Awesome. I mean, I am like, wow, super happy. This is like an awesome Yu-Gi-Oh! Cube that I got. For a year worth, for like, how much was this? I keep forgetting. Well, I said like about 16 bucks or so. This thing is super duper awesome for me. I'm having a blast opening up these cards and seeing what I get. Asian Visual Art. Play Spreader Zombie. That was an old one. Cosmic Flare. I think that one's for Stardust Dragon or something. Oh my god, number 70, Mervolt Sin. We drew this card again from this pack. And then we have a Dark Summon Beast. I wonder if it's the same card. Yeah, same exact card. So we got it from Blue Eyes White Dragon, and then again we got it from its own dual pack. So that is kind of cool. Come on, Phoenix Cross, Dark Magician Girl. I don't know if it's in this, DUELiST pack series, but I would definitely love to get at least a Dark Magician Girl. I don't care about 1009, Star Magic Curtain, Burning Tome, Dark Magical Attack, or any of those other ones. Just a Dark Magician Girl.